Hey fam, welcome back to my channel. If you're joining me for the first time, I'm Chef Fran. First, give me a virtual hug by hitting the subscribe button. And in return, I'll give you fresh new recipes every week.
And here are a list of ingredients.
Today we're gonna make a breakfast burrito, but not just any breakfast burrito. A breakfast burrito that's packed full of protein and veggies. You need those veggies for your health, don't you? So come with me so I can show you how to make this easy breakfast burrito. So let's get to cooking. So I have some thick cut bacon that I just chopped up, cut into pieces. We're gonna put it in here. And while that's cooking, I'm gonna work on sauteing my veggies. So here's the great thing about the breakfast burritos, right? You can make them and freeze them, refrigerate them, keep them for a couple of days, because that'd be great, right? So what I'm gonna try to do here is that I have some olive oil in this saute pan. I'm gonna start to saute my veggies, but as this starts to melt down, the grease from the bacon, I'm gonna take a little bit of that to give it more flavor and put it inside with our other veggies, the veggies that are being sauteed. So now I'm gonna add my mushrooms to here and my bell peppers. My bacon's still bubbling up, cooking. And honey, it is important to season your veggies. Who wants some dull veggies with no seasoning? Not I. So I just have some onion powder. It's gonna be that much garlic powder too. Flavor, remember, right? Garlic is good if you have blood pressure issues. So there you go. And I have a little bit of cayenne now. I'm not gonna go that heavy with the cayenne now. Okay, just a little bit of kiss right there. And honey, I love me some smoked paprika. So let us get that in here. Okay, veggies are kind of worn down. I'm gonna take a little bit more of this grease from the bacon, and I'm gonna add my spinach in here. And we're gonna be done in no time, in a jiffy. So I'm still cooking my bacon because I want it to be nice and crispy. And I just added my spinach, and as you know, it wilts to nothing. So we have right here our mushrooms, our red bell peppers, our onions, and our garlic, and our spinach. And I'm gonna add my sweet potatoes that I diced up here. I told you, we're packed with veggies, full of nutrients, and some beta carotene right here. And all that's gonna go in our burrito. Next, we're gonna make our eggs. So what I would do, and it's an old trick from culinary school, is that we would use wax paper or parchment paper, something on our table, and we would crack it there, and then make sure you stick your thumbs all the way deep inside. That way when you come out, your eggs are free from having any shells. As long as you push your thumbs all the way deep inside and you open it up, right? So now I'm gonna put a little bit of onion powder, garlic powder, a little bit of smoked paprika, a bit of cayenne pepper. Oops, that was a little bit more than that, but that's okay. A little hot and spicy never hurt nobody. And I'm gonna do a little bit of Himalayan salt that I have here. Now this is lower in sodium, and it's the salt that I prefer to use. I just put our eggs in here from what I had whisked up. And it just has our reserved bacon grease that we had cooked our bacon in. Some people like to put a little bit of milk in their scrambled eggs. I don't, but feel free. Some people want to put some cheese in their scrambled eggs. I'm not going to put cheese in my scrambled eggs only because I'm going to use cheese when we're assembling our burrito, because our cheese is actually going to be our food glue. So we're going to get lots of cheese then, so I don't need to do it now. You see that? Our eggs are almost done. Oh my gosh, I'm so anxious to show you our easy breakfast burrito, and everything cooked really quickly, you know. So you can do this the night before. You can do it a little earlier before you go to work. And like I said, make a few extra pieces because it's going to be really good. And you're going to want to eat some for the rest of the week and save yourself a few dollars. So I just did our burrito here. Then I'm going to just put it so you can get a little color in our pan. And I'm just going to do this one here. All of our veggies are ready. And we're going to wrap this one as well. So we want to push a little bit more towards the edge. Put the flap over it. And kind of fold this like this. Keeping your hand on all the ingredients. And we begin tucking and rolling. Tucking and rolling. So I'm going to add a little bit more cheese so it can seal up. Okay, a lot more cheese. I like cheese. Hey guys, so I have finished our breakfast burrito, and I have my resident expert burrito person here, Mr. Jack. So he's going to give us his honest opinion on how this breakfast burrito that I made, and hopefully he likes it. Hopefully. All right, so we have the spinach, which has the same flavorings of everything you see me cook, but it's the spinach tortilla and spinach keto tortilla, as well as the orange tomato tortilla. So take one of each flavor.
All right, let's try.
All right. And I garnish it with a little bacon.
I like the first one, the spinach one.
Mm-hmm.
Like all the flavors combining together, and then it just comes out. That's exactly what I expected. It's pretty good.
Okay. So far, spinach, she says, is great. Now it's a different wrap.
Couldn't really notice the difference between the wraps, but this one tastes a little different, but they're still both just as good though.
Okay.
So I think for the effort and the time and everything, it's pretty good.
Also, if this video hit the spot for you today, let me know by tapping the like button so we can have more delicious flavors to eat together virtually. See you soon. Love you.